Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to monetize your TikTok account. So let's dive into our TikTok. So let's go to our TikTok. You open your TikTok account. Okay, you come to this program on the button here. You come to this screen on the button here. And you come to this, you can see down the business suite. So click on your business suite here. And this is it. And go center. Okay, so this is it. Let's see reward coming soon. Let's go back and click on TikTok Studio. And these are monetization. So click on monetization here. Fill all to see if we are eligible to monetization. So this is it now. So most click okay now the subscription, set up the subscription to pack to get some. You can see so now get notified if I'm eligible. You can see this is it now. Let's see if I'm eligible to this. Okay, it is locked. You can see it is locked. So there's some given tasks for us to do before we'll be able to monetize this. And now recently I'm now to qualify. You can see get notified when I'm eligible. So I'm not eligible for monetization now. So it seems you have say you have to get followers, engagement, such as a likes of you and more, so to be able to monetize your TikTok. So once you have do all this, you'll be able to monetize your TikTok. You can just come here, check if you're eligible. TikTok will just give you a notification that now you're eligible to what to monetize your TikTok. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.